Me demonstrating live what are the things that I look at if I want to enter a trade. We have different strategies of entering a trade. Some people are day traders, some people are they are swing traders, some are also scalp traders, depending on your lifestyle. Um, well, you can choose any trading lifestyle if you want to learn how to trade. But I'm trying to scalp, which is I'm trying to use lower time frames to enter a trade. You understand? And I'm using Market Cipher as my reference script. So if you're new to this channel, the script that I'm using is called Market Cipher. Link is under the description. And Market Cipher is a trading script that gives you insight into the very direction of an asset. So if you want to be part of the 10% that have inside information, Market Cipher is the best script because it gives you or it shows you liquidity and momentum, which is one of the most basic things that you have to know in trading. Liquidity attract traders, and every trader loves liquidity because once you know the direction of liquidity, you know the direction of price, and once you know the direction of momentum, you know the direction of price. So Market Cipher more or less like simplifies trading by giving you direction. So today's video, I just wanted to demonstrate how would I enter a trade, live trade, and what are the things that I'm looking for. So I'm on a 1 minute time frame, which is a lower time frame. So it means my oscillators are moving every given minute. And what am I tracking? I'm looking at momentum, which is a force. This is a force. And I'm also looking at liquid, which is liquid. So price, this is price. Let's say this is price. If price wants to go up, price need liquid and price needs money. You understand? So liquid pushes because sorry, momentum pushes price because it's a force, and liquid also help push price because it's liquid. So I'm looking at two things. I'm looking at the curvature. I'm looking at the direction of my momentum wave. And if I this is the negative territories and this is the positive territories. You understand? So anytime my momentum is in the negative means price is going down, and anytime my momentum is in the positive it means price is going up because it's going to push price up. If I see money as well in the negative like this, price is going down, and if I see both of these oscillators in the negative means price is going down drastically. So right now, since money is in the positive territories, I'm waiting for momentum to also join it so that it pushes price up. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at direction of momentum, and I'm seeing that there is an uptrend coming because momentum is a force, is going to push price up. So if I want to enter a trade, I'm looking at this bullish sign, which is a good sign of an uptrend, this indicator. You understand? So it's an uptrend, and I'm looking at momentum, and I'm looking at money flow. Money flow seems to be going up as well. So it's like, okay, if money flow seems to be going up, then let me enter along from this side. Let me show you how I enter along. So from 20, 50, 25. This is BYBIT, by the way. So 2519. Let me 519. Let me buy long and confirm. So my order is active here. I'm waiting for it to be confirmed. 2513, 2513.50. Waiting for it to be confirmed. This is live trading using BYBIT as my trading exchange. BYBIT also supports leverage trading. BYBIT is a leverage trading so you can increase, and I don't really recommend leverage for beginners. If you're new to trading, I wouldn't recommend leverage is whereby you can literally increase the margin that you are using to trade. If I'm using $1,000 to trade, leverage can literally increase that number that I'm using to trade. So if I'm using 10x leverage, I'm no more using 1,000, I'm using 10,000. So of course the order has been filled, and it's green right now, so it's like it's been up by 0.101%, which is a good sign because my oscillators are heading towards upwards, and my money flow is also already in the positive territories. So price obviously is showing signs here, 0.0103. So if I want to increase my leverage, to increase my trading my profit, of course my margin, I can also increase leverage. But again, it comes with risk because the higher the leverage, the closer the liquidation price. You understand? So you might not really try to risk or put yourself in danger by using so much leverage. If you're new to trading, just let me use 14x leverage. It means 14 multiplied by my quantity right now is the money that I'm trading with. So 1.85% right now is like, so this is just an overview. This is just a simple trading strategy, scalping on a lower time frame using Market Cipher script. Easy way of making easy money. And I'm just trying to demonstrate, even though it's live, there's just a small capital that I'm trying to risk. And again, trading is not for the faint-hearted. If you are new to trading, I wouldn't recommend certain things that I'm doing in here, like leverage trading. I wouldn't recommend that to anybody. I'll keep it simple, because look at my liquidation price here and look at the trading price here. Should in case price drops drastically to this price, I lose all my entire margin. That is a problem when you're using leverage. But let's say when I go to my 1x leverage, let's see what happens right now. My liquidation price changes to let me see it in effect. Let me go to 1x leverage. You see my liquidation price decreases to 11,222. So I mean I'm safe. But again, if you don't want to be safe, then you risk more. You understand? So, but I don't care having my liquidation price around 19,000 because I know the overall direction. I know that my oscillators are not going to fail me. They are heading upwards, so price is going to be pushed. So it's like, well, let me put my liquidation around, let's say, 25%. Since I know the very overall direction, you understand? So it's like, and trading is all about percentages. So I need enough capital or enough margin to push my percentages up once I know the direction. You understand? So even though my liquidation price is around 19,820, I barely really care about it because I know my overall direction. I'm tracking the direction right now. I have momentum in the positive and I have money flow as well in the positive. It's like, well, this is the very best time to long. And it's obvious I'm up by 4% using the 25x leverage. This is an easy strategy. So I can hold on to this trade for a while till I see a change in direction. When will I see a change in direction? When my momentum is is heading towards the overbought territories, then I start exiting my long. You understand? Because there's going to be a correction downwards. I'm up by 5%, so it's like 6%. So it's like once you know overall direction, you barely really care about what you're doing anymore. You know direction, and trading is all about direction. And yeah, I'm entering a trade based on the very direction, and I don't care the leverage I'm using. But again, I can't preach this message for everybody. If you're new to trading, there are certain elements that you have to know. There are certain things that you have to understand first before you can risk money like that. So again, BYBIT prohibits live trading. I This is a very risky upload because CryptoFace used to upload his videos when he was using BYBIT, and I think due to regulation issues, he wasn't able to upload again using BYBIT, and so he had to change his exchange to Femex. So again, I don't know what will happen after this video, but I'm just trying to also risk by also showing you guys what I also do in moments like this. And I'm up by 14%, and I can also push my leverage to let's be a little bit riskier here by 40 and see something. So 20,101% is my liquidation price. But again, I don't really care because this is me risking small money. But again, I know my direction and I know what I'm doing, and I can exit my trade right now at a profit of, let's say, a buck. You understand? Because I am seeing a direction is about to change, and I'm also pivoting myself. So let me just exit this trade and also close this. So up by 24%, easy money, easy strategy with a high leverage. So let me just exit it with a 1% win. So I exited the trade. I made a buck with just a simple strategy. So this is just a basic strategy, and I'm just trying to show you guys how to trade Market Cipher. So until then, this is just a short video highlighting what I look at first in order to enter a trade. So until then, have a nice time. If you're new to this channel, kindly comment, subscribe, share this video. If you want to learn trading using Market Cipher, it's a script, by the way. The link is under the description. And yep, until then, people, have a nice time.